Today I'm working on this 2014 Kia Soul. This is the second generation. This is the same up to 2019. And I'm going to be doing our high beam headlight bulb. I already did a video on the low beam headlight bulb. Now we're going to do the high beam, this one right here. So we come into the car, follow this, and this is our cap right here. Twist this counterclockwise. Boom, like so. Put that to the side, don't forget that. And this shows our light in there. Now this guy, we have to unhook that wire clip to pop that out. So now that we're right side up, we have a little hook here. Let me get that focus on there for you. So this little hook, you're gonna push in and pull this way. It hooks into this part right here. So you unhook that like that, and it opens like a little door like this. Get this out of the way, and then this bulb will come out. You could also take the what I was just saying is you can take this part off before unhooking it, but I wanted to show you this connection here. So I'm going to take this and pull that apart like that. So this is just a 2-prong plug. I'll have a link in the description for this bulb. This is the bulb here. And let's see which one is this? Is it the T7? Yep, or H7. Yep, there it is. That's an H7 bulb. So when you're going to put this back in, you can put the bulb in first, and this little notch goes down. Into the little holder. So that is in. I'll show you there. Then we take our little door and close it onto, and then hook it. So that little door hooks onto there. Then you can take your plug and plug it into place. Then we're going to take our cap here, and let me make sure there. There's also directions on there, so you can see open and closed. You got to find where it fits into place and then close it. And that's how you change the high beam headlight bulb on a Kia Soul. I'll put a link in the description for some handy gloves and this H7 bulb. If this was helpful, please give a thumbs up, let me know in the comments, and we'll see you next time.